So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the best seller tag in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to the left side here. You will see home, orders, products, customers, discounts, online store, ad, and settings. Now if you wish to add a bestseller tag, you should probably go to your product. On here you will see your listed products. So you can see here stuff that I've added. On here you can just go ahead and click on that product. On here it's going to open up the setup page of the product. You can just scroll down a bit. You can see media, you can see category, pricing, cost per item, inventory, shipping, variants, search engine listing. Now if you wish to add a tag, you can see here collections, vendor type, and you can see the tag. Now there isn't a specific tag you can just put in, so it's going to pop up it's the bestseller. If you wish to add it something like this, just type in bestseller and people will see that for this product it's really going up. You can even add some sort of emoji so people can get a better understanding of that product, and if it's really hot right now you can add some fire stuff, or you can even type out fire, or you can put in popular items so people can understand that this is one of those products that is just selling and is best selling right now. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.